First off, when we have our paper today, we want to make sure that it's going from side to side. So it's landscape, it's side to side. And we're going to fold it in half. So now it is like a book. So now I can open it up like that. Now I should have got a space here, got one here. Then on the back, I also have two more. So in total, I should have 4 different little spaces that I'm going to be, that I'll be drawing on today. Now, what you can do is on the bottom corner of each one, and just I'll write 1 right there. I'll do a 2 over on this side here, if it helps. Make a little line right there. Same thing, and this side I'm going to do a 3, and this side I will do a 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then if you want to make it easier for you, you can have a line going down the middle. The first thing I'm going to want you to do, I want you to fold your paper back up so you can only see page number 1. So right there I can see page number 1, and that's the only page I can see. And I'm going to keep my paper folded in half when I work. First thing you're going to do, you're going to get to choose if you want your line to be horizontal, so side to side, or if you want it to go vertical, up and down. It's up to you. So pick where you want it to go, and I want it to go all the way across your paper. So I made a horizontal line go all across my paper. Next thing we're going to do is you're going to take your finger and you're going to go along your line. So go ahead and go along your line and then stop. And wherever you're at, I want you to choose whether you go up or down, or if your first line was up and down, you're going to choose left or right. So you're just going to go in the opposite direction now. So I've already did a horizontal line, so now I'm going to make a vertical line. And I'm going to make it, I'll go down. So now we've got 3 spaces. We'll go back to this line. We're going to do the same thing and stop right there. And then this time I want to go the opposite direction. So if I went down that time, I'm going to go up this time. So now I've got 4 spaces. Starting to see some of them are starting to look like different shapes. I have a lot of space still down here, so this is going to be my next line that I go on. You guys can choose whatever one you want to. So I'll go and then I'll stop. So stop right here, and I'm going to go to the right. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 spaces now. You need to have at least 5 to 10 spaces, anywhere from 5 to 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10 spaces. You must have that on your sketch. Once you have that, then you'll go through and do sketch number 2. And if you finish sketch number 2, do sketch number 3. If that's done, do sketch number 4. So you'll be able to have 4 different sketches by the time you're all the way done. You have 4 different sketches by the time you're all the way done. After we have all of our spaces done, we're going to use a marker. Going to use a marker to trace our lines. Now when we do this, just like in the picture we saw, some lines might be a little bit thicker than other ones. So you might make some of your lines a little bit thicker. That might help with your balance. So maybe I'll make this line really thick. You can choose, some lines can be thicker, some lines can be thinner. It's up to you. But after you're done with that, you're going to want to start adding some color now. If we remember, we saw primary colors in our picture from Mondrian, so we are going to choose primary colors on our picture. I want you to go through, fill in your spaces, and I want you, again with balance, leave some of these spaces blank. You don't have to color in every single one. Spread out your color. I want to see at least one space yellow, one space red, and one space blue. But how you color it is going to be up to you.